In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the 6 custom sessions we currently use. The way you set up and create a custom session is to go to File, and you want to create a new chart analysis. It could be any chart, any market. We're just using this as a data setup chart to set up the custom session. So it's not important which market shows up here when you create the chart. What you want to do is you want to double click on the chart to get to the format, customize the symbol. Once you do that, you'll notice there are 3 or 4 different tabs. There's settings, style, scaling, properties, and properties is where we want to go. And when you get to properties, you go down here to session, and by default you see a regular session. So to create a custom session, you click on those 3 dots and you click on use custom session, and you'll see in Tradestation it comes with 3 different sessions already. We're going to create 6 more in this video, and I'm going to show you how we do that. So the first one we use is Crude Pit Session, and type in here Crude Pit Session. I clicked on Create to get this dialog, and it created this. Crude Pit Session, you're going to add, and you're going to type in Crude Pit Session once again, and it is based on Monday at 9 a.m. through Monday at 2:30 p.m. You can select that there, and then you want to use this session as the end of day marker. Say OK, and then for Tuesday through Friday, you can just simply click on Add Monday through Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's all set up. You can see it right here. And then you can say, one thing you should know, session times are based on exchange. We know that when we set up these strategies that it's based on that. And so sometimes we use this Crude Pit Session on non-crude markets. So the name of the session may not necessarily correlate to the market that we're trading. We might have a Euro custom session on the stock indexes, or on gold, or on crude. We may have a Crude Pit session on stock indexes. So the name of the session doesn't always match the market that it's trading. So select OK, and then OK again, and then you have that Crude Pit session right here showing up. And then when you select OK, you can see it changes a little bit. So the first bar, you see 10:05, and you saw that it started at 9, and that's 9 o'clock based on the exchange time. And my computer is on Eastern Standard Time, and I'm on 5-minute bar, so the timestamp will be 10:05. Since it's an hour later, it starts at 9 Central, 10 Eastern, and I'm on 10 Eastern and at 10:05, and it goes to 2:30 Central, so it should be right here at 3:30 p.m. It ends at 3:30 p.m. and then it opens at 10 o'clock, but then the timestamp is the end time, and so the first, it starts at 10, but it ends at 10:05. If you change this to 1-minute bars, you'll see that the first bar, you can select this to compress. The first bar will be 10:01. The last bar will still be 15:30. So that is the Crude Pit session. Previously, I double-clicked on this green. You can also right-click and say Data, Edit Symbol. We have 5 more sessions to create. The next one that we create will be called EMINI Day -1. So go to Properties, click on this, 3 dots, Create, and we are creating the EMINI Day -1. Day -1, and you're going to say Add, same thing, EMINI Day -1. And it's Monday at 8:30 based on the session start time. So we're basically reference the Central Standard Time stock index futures on this. Monday through 3:14. We know that this market used to close at 3:15, and this is 1 minute before it closes. So you can select the up arrow or click on P, and it'll go to PM, and then you click on that, use this session as the end of day trading marker, and say OK. Add Monday through Friday, and you are set up on EMINI Day -1 And so the process gets faster. You can just, at this point, you can say, okay, come back here, click create. We have 4 more to create. The next one is Euro. Keep in mind you can use the Euro session on other markets. It's not just for the Euro. This used to be the approximate day session of the Euro. Type Euro there, click add, type Euro here. Monday, 7 o'clock a.m. to Monday at 2 o'clock p.m. and say OK. Add Monday through Friday. You can do different combinations of this. You can have a day session and a night session on Monday, but we are just focused on these day sessions right now. So that is the Euro. You can then select OK. We've got 3 out of 3. 3 more to create for the current setup that we're using. Grains new. The soybeans market has had several session changes over the years, and so the most recent one was named Grains New. And then you can go ahead and select that first if you want. Monday at 8:30 a.m. Soybeans opens at 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time, and it closes at 1:15. This one really is just related to the grains. I don't believe I've ever used this Grains New session on anything other than the grains, and so the others could be used on other markets, but the Grains New is typically used just on grains. They have a much earlier close than most other commodity markets. Be sure to check that and say OK. Add Monday through Friday. We've done 4 out of 6. Say OK, create, and then we'll create 2 more here. Mirror, M-I-R-R-O-R. This is specifically for just a couple of stock index strategies. And it starts 1 minute before. The market is actually trading at 8:29 and even before 8:29 Central, but the day session doesn't officially start till 8:30 Central when the stock market opens. 8:30 Central, 9:30 Eastern. And so we're referencing the E-minis trading in Central Time here, and it trades till 3:15. Now this market used to close at 3:15, and then it used to stop trading, and then it would start at 3:30 and end at 4, and then it would start trading again at 5 p.m. Now it just trades till 4 o'clock, stops for an hour, and starts at 5 again. So make sure you have that set up as listed here, starting basically 1 minute before the day session. Click on that and then say OK. Add Monday through Friday, and you are set. We have 1 more session here for the custom session setups. US stock, and US stock, you can select add, same thing, US stock, and then you can select Monday, and this is just a day session, 8:30 a.m. until Monday at 3:15 p.m. And then click on this, say OK, add Monday through Friday, and then select OK, OK, and then you can click on this once again, and you can see the entire list of all 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are currently the 6 custom sessions that we're using as of May the 10th, 2022. Select OK. Then you can just delete this chart. We just created it for the sake of creating those custom sessions, and that is how you create custom sessions that we use. You can create any custom session you want using that same method, naming it what you want, having the hours that you want. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.